a road project outside of the farm, and this is going to be going on until the end of August. Right now is the very beginning. There's a lot of traffic cones around, and sometimes it's tough to see where to turn. But this side of the road, the one that's closest to the farm, is going to be torn up first and then repaved, and then all of the traffic that is now on the other side of the road is going to be on this side for the second half of the project. So this is going to go on until probably the end of August, and what they are doing is making a bike lane. That's really important because people die on their bikes when, these cars don't see them. And then also a sidewalk. We're not exactly sure how this is going to impact everything with the farm and mango season especially. We do know that there will always be access to the farm. During mango season 2020, this road project is definitely going to still be happening. It's likely that you will not be able to park on the grass. The traffic will be happening on this side of the road for most of mango season, and there'll be a bike lane and a sidewalk over here. So we'll be open, of course, during mango season, but things will be a little different. This project has been going on for about a week now. There's a whole lot of change of scenery here on the road. There's traffic cones all over the place. And there, of course, are signs. People are very well aware that there is something different here, and a lot of people are doing a great job at slowing down. The main problem that we have noticed is that getting out on the street is a little bit more challenging. You have the visual barriers of all these traffic cones here, and all of the traffic is now compressed into 2 lanes. There used to be a turn lane here and a turn lane at the light, and so there's some delay in turning, and also there's a lot of traffic at some times during the day that are, that's just coming. Even early in the morning we have traffic. So anyway, please be careful and be patient. We haven't had to wait that long, but it is longer than it used to be.